Do you want to know how to leave group chat on Snapchat? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. So first of all, you're gonna have to open the Snapchat app on your phone, then log in into your Snapchat account. Now swipe left on your screen, then look for the group chat that you want to leave. Go ahead and tap on the group chat. Now on the top of the screen, you're gonna see a bunch of big poses. Just tap on it. Now on the top right corner, you're gonna see a 3-dot menu. Tap on it, then select Leave Group from the menu popping up from the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, tap on Leave again, then you'll successfully leave group on Snapchat. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.